Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to embark on a culinary journey that proves you don't need a Michelin star budget to create Michelin star worthy meals. We're talking about delicious, satisfying dishes that won't break the bank. In fact, you can whip them up for just $5 or less per serving. That's right, you heard me. We're diving headfirst into the world of budget-friendly cooking, debunking the myth that good food has to cost a fortune. We've got 5 incredible recipes that are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. Get ready to tantalize those taste buds without emptying your wallet. So grab your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get this culinary show on the road. First up, we're tackling a classic that never fails to impress: veggie fried rice. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, all for a price that won't make you weep. Now, you're going to need some cooked rice, leftover rice works, wonders here, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables, a good glug of soy sauce, and a couple of eggs. Crank up the heat under a large pan and add a drizzle of oil. Once it's shimmering, toss in those frozen veggies and stir-fry them until they're heated through and starting to take on a bit of color. Now, push the veggies to one side of the pan, creating a well for the eggs. Crack those eggs straight into the pan, no messing about with bowls here, and scramble them until they're just set. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add the cooked rice to the pan, ensuring it's nice and hot. Drizzle over a generous splash of soy sauce. This is where the magic happens, and toss everything together until it's well combined and piping hot. And there you have it, a steaming bowl of veggie fried rice that's bursting with flavor, packed with veggies, and easy on the wallet. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need fancy ingredients to create a restaurant-quality meal at home. Next up, we're diving into a dish that's so simple, it's almost criminal. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This dish is packed with flavor and is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Garlic butter pasta with vegetables. It's a classic for a reason. This dish combines the rich, savory taste of garlic butter with the fresh, vibrant flavors of seasonal vegetables. It's quick, it's easy, and it's bursting with flavor. Perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something delicious, but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. You'll need some spaghetti or any pasta you have lurking in the pantry, a knob of butter, a few cloves of garlic, and your choice of vegetables. The beauty of this dish is its versatility: spinach, peas, broccoli, whatever takes your fancy. You can mix and match based on what you have on hand or what's in season. First things first, get that pasta bubbling away in a large pot of salted boiling water. This step is crucial for ensuring your pasta is perfectly seasoned. Now let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the garlic butter sauce. This sauce is what elevates the dish from simple to simply irresistible. Melt that knob of butter in a pan over medium heat. The aroma of melting butter is just the beginning of this culinary journey. Once it's melted, toss in the minced garlic and don't be shy with it. The more garlic, the better the flavor. Let it sizzle away for a minute or two, just until it's fragrant and starting to turn golden. This is when the magic happens. Now it's time to add those veggies. The vibrant colors and fresh flavors will make this dish not only tasty, but also visually appealing. Toss them in with the garlic and butter and cook until they're tender crisp. You want them to retain a bit of bite. This ensures they keep their nutrients and texture. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes if you like a bit of a kick. The seasoning is what ties all the flavors together. Once the pasta is cooked to al dente, that means it should still have a slight bite to it. Drain it and add it straight to the pan with the garlic butter veggies. This step is crucial for the perfect texture. Toss everything together until it's well coated in that glorious sauce. Make sure every strand of pasta is enveloped in the buttery, garlicky goodness, and there you have it, a plate of garlic butter pasta with vegetables that's ready to be devoured. It's a dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of love, you can create something truly special. Get ready for a meal that's as healthy as it is delicious. The loaded sweet potato. This dish is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with flavor, and it won't break the bank. Perfect for a family dinner or a solo meal, it's versatile and easy to make. You'll need a couple of sweet potatoes, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, a can of black beans, some Greek yogurt, which adds a creamy texture, and a dose of probiotics, and a sprinkle of cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, feta, whatever you fancy. The cheese adds a delightful richness and extra protein. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your sweet potatoes cook evenly and thoroughly. Now give those sweet potatoes a good scrub under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities and prick them a few times with a fork. This step is crucial as it allows the steam to escape while they bake, preventing any unwanted explosions in the oven. Trust me, you don't want to skip this part. Place the sweet potatoes directly on the oven rack for the best results and bake for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on their size, or until they're tender when pierced with a fork. You want them to be soft but not mushy. While the sweet potatoes are working their magic in the oven, you can prepare the other ingredients. Drain and rinse the black beans to remove any excess sodium and improve their texture. Once the sweet potatoes are cooked, carefully remove them from the oven. They'll be hot. So use oven mitts or a thick towel. Let them cool slightly before handling to avoid burning your hands. Once they're cool enough to handle, slice them open lengthwise, being careful not to cut all the way through. This creates a perfect pocket for your fillings. Now it's time to load them up. This is where the fun begins. Stuff each sweet potato with a generous spoonful of black beans, which add a hearty texture and are a great source of protein and fiber. A dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess and a tangy flavor, and a sprinkle of cheese. The cheese will melt and create a gooey, delicious topping. Pop them back into the oven for a few minutes, just until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This final step brings everything together, and there you have it, a plate of loaded sweet potatoes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. They're a complete meal in themselves, packed with fiber, protein, and flavor. Perfect for any occasion. These loaded sweet potatoes are sure to become a favorite in your household. Enjoy this wholesome and satisfying dish that brings together the best of nutrition and taste. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a dish to impress your guests, these loaded sweet potatoes are the way to go. And there you have it, a plate of loaded sweet potatoes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. They're a complete meal in themselves, packed with fiber, protein, and flavor. They're a complete meal in themselves, packed with fiber, protein, and flavor. Next up, we're whipping up a dish that's perfect for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a satisfying snack. The egg and bean quesadilla. It's a fiesta of flavors and textures, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. You'll need some tortillas, a can of refried beans, a few eggs, and a sprinkle of cheese. Cheddar Monterey. Jack whatever you have on hand. First things first, heat a drizzle of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. While the skillet is heating, crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them together with a splash of milk or water. Season with salt and pepper, pour the eggs into the hot skillet and cook, stirring occasionally until they're set. While the eggs are cooking, spread a thin layer of refried beans over 1/2 of each tortilla. Once the eggs are cooked, spoon them over the refried beans on the tortillas. Sprinkle over the cheese and fold the tortillas in half. Now carefully place the quesadillas in the hot skillet and cook for a couple of minutes on each side or until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, a plate of egg and bean quesadillas that are ready to be devoured. They're quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. Serve them with salsa guacamole or sour cream for an extra layer of deliciousness. Last but not least, we're warming things up with a bowl of pure comfort food, hearty lentil soup. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nourishing and easy on the wallet, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to enjoy a wholesome meal without breaking the bank. It's a dish that's as good for the soul as it is for the wallet. You'll need some lentils, which are packed with protein and fiber, making them a great base for this hearty soup. Vegetable broth, which adds depth and richness to the soup, and onions, garlic, which brings a wonderful aroma and flavor, and diced tomatoes, which add a touch of acidity and sweetness, and a few spices to bring it all together. These spices will elevate the flavors and make the soup truly special. First things first, heat a drizzle of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. This will help to saute the vegetables and release their flavors. Add the chopped onions and cook, stirring occasionally until they're softened and translucent. This step is crucial as it forms the flavor base of the soup. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute or until it's fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. Now it's time to add the lentils. These little legumes will absorb all the flavors and become tender as they cook. Give them a good rinse under cold water before adding them to the pot. This helps to remove any dust or debris. Pour in the vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your chosen spices. These ingredients will meld together to create a rich and flavorful soup. I like to add a pinch of cumin, coriander, and paprika for a warm, earthy flavor. These spices not only add depth, but also a beautiful color to the soup. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 45 minutes to an hour, or until the lentils are tender. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once the lentils are cooked, give the soup a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. This is your chance to make the soup perfect for your palate. You can add more salt, pepper to enhance the flavors, or spices to your liking. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices to make it your own. And there you have it, a pot of hearty lentil soup that's ready to warm you from the inside out. This soup is not only comforting, but also packed with nutrients. It's a simple, satisfying, and budget-friendly meal that's perfect for a cozy night in. Whether you're serving it for lunch or dinner, it's sure to be a hit. Serve it with a slice of crusty bread for the ultimate comfort food experience. The bread is perfect for soaking up the delicious broth. And there you have it, 5 incredible meals that prove you don't need to win the lottery to enjoy delicious food. We've got veggie fried rice, garlic butter pasta with vegetables, loaded sweet potato, egg and bean quesadilla, and hearty lentil soup. Each one a testament to the fact that cooking on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. So what are you waiting for? Get in that kitchen, raid your pantry, and get cooking. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is passion. So put on your chef's hat, get those creative juices flowing, and show the world that you can create culinary masterpieces without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly cooking inspiration, and let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more affordable and delicious recipe ideas.